Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ahana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Leo. Good morning,
Good
Ishi.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Molly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arav. Arav, can I see how do you look? Can you switch on your camera?
Ma'am, I am Jay. And just change my name.
Still, you can always switch on the camera so that the teacher can look at.
Camera is not working.
Huh?
Camera is not working.
Okay. Jay Kanojia is now Arav Patel. Yes, Arav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, Jay Kanojia is now Arav Patel. I need to remember this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. I think B section is also
Good
joining.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is this iPhone? Beta, this iPhone, who is this iPhone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm renaming.
Change.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Purvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. B section is also joined with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what should we have? Let us have quiz or continue with the chapter. Good morning.
Quiz.
Quiz
Yes, ma'am.
of which chapter? Second chapter, geography.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Take 5 minutes or 2 minutes to revise. I am coming to ask you questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Fine. Ready?
Ma'am, you said 5 minutes.
अच्छा 5 minutes नहीं हुए? Okay. चलो.
Ma'am, 1 minute भी नहीं हुआ.
1 minute.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are doing quiz.
Ma'am, from ma'am geography.
Yes, geography second chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
What you can do is you people can have your geography books with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बच्चा.
ma'am.
Good morning, Aryan. बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, in the geography, only one chapter will come, right?
Yes, Akshay.
Ma'am, chapter 1 or chapter 2?
Chapter 1, of course.
Ma'am, so that quiz is ma'am points wise or ma'am general.
It is Nothing is general here. Everything is categorized. Anji beta.
Ma'am, that UT is of 40 marks. So
UT
ma'am, there
मार्क्स देखो बेटा व्योम, आप इस चीज की बिल्कुल टेंशन ना लें कि यूटी कितने मार्क्स का है, कि हम कैसे पढ़ाई करेंगे. अगर आपको एक चैप्टर कहा है तो आपको एक चैप्टर कवर करना पड़ेगा. गॉट माय पॉइंट?
मैम यूटी कब से
Ma'am,
स्टार्ट
so in
होंगे?
SST,
हाँ
ma'am, in the
मैम
SST exam,
यूटी कब से
10
स्टार्ट होंगे?
marks will be allotted to each section.
बेटा, अगर इफ इट इज अ 40 मार्क्स का पेपर, इकोनॉमिक्स 10, हिस्ट्री 10, ज्योग्राफी 10, civics 10, right? If it is a 80 marks paper, then 20 20 20, right?
ma'am, I only want to ask that if means 10-15 marks, if each section will cover means geography or history, so ma'am, it is a less marks, means less marks section. So ma'am, there will be no objective type.
But objective will be there for, see, now the CBSE has completely changed the pattern of having the examination. So we will be preparing questions as per the new pattern of CBSE.
Ma'am, means objective will be less.
No, objective also you will have case studies also, you will have HOTS also, value based questions also.
Ma'am, the most easiest chapter in ma'am SST is of ma'am geography only.
Yes, ma'am.
Most
Ma'am,
Easiest.
yes,
I know.
ma'am.
I know.
Ma'am, because it is of only ma'am 4 to 5 pages.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, they are very easy.
And ma'am in history and ma'am that economics, ma'am 24 pages.
I know. I know.
Ma'am, most difficult is the economics, ma'am.
No, economics is very easy, Parush, very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I love
Ma'am,
economics.
it is very easy.
Ah, I know.
Ma'am, history is not easy.
History
Ma'am,
is
history is easy.
history is also,
Ma'am, history is the most typical subject ever.
no, Prachi.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, history is the very easy.
History is
more easy. Yes, ma'am, I like
in the
history.
sense- it is easy in the sense that you don't have to mug up things, you just have to remember it as a story. The events,
Yes, ma'am.
in a chronological order, if you are doing it, if you are preparing it, it is very easy to remember.
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't like ma'am civics, ma'am. Ma'am, because they are always ma'am in the politics.
Yes, ma'am.
But see,
But
whatever
I
you
like
have-
civics a lot.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I like
civics
civics
only.
the most among
tell
all the 4 subjects.
what you people
Ma'am,
have,
Ma'am, economics does include some politics, but still I love economics and geography.
no,
Ma'am, civics is
civics is
ma'am.
see what you have, it is all about that what kind of system we are following in our country. When we say we are democracy, when we say we follow federal government, when we say we are parliamentary form of government, when we say we are, we have organs of government, horizontal, vertical, everything, when we say, we are basically discussing about the system that we have in our country. And it is very important for every person to know what kind of government, what system we are following in our country. Right?
Ma'am, civics only revolves around ma'am the democracy, government, and ma'am constitution.
No, ma'am. It has several other things.
Of course, there are several other aspects also, but then what he's talking about, maybe the first chapter that you people have done in civics, advantages and disadvantages of democracy, why it is good, why it is not good, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
arguments.
Huh?
Ma'am, what is your favorite subject among three?
See, I enjoy all the 4, but the one which I love the most is civics.
Ma'am, geography.
Yes.
Ma'am, civics.
Civics I love the most.
Ma'am,
Yes,
mine
ma'am,
is
me
history.
Though I enjoy teaching all the 4 subjects, but if you talk about my personal favorite, yes, civics, of course, I enjoy a lot. Reason being, there are logical things are there, and then you come to know so many things about, various countries which are there, plus the government system, the governance system that they are following, right? Like we say India and America, both are democracy, right? But the provisions, the norms that America follows is completely different from what we are following, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will come to different chapters, you will learn lot many things. Okay. And in history, revolutions of course are my favorite. I love revolutions. That is why this French Revolution and Russian Revolution I love teaching. Right?
Me too.
हाँ. Chalo, let us
Ma'am,
start.
geography is your
French
least favorite.
Revolution is
No,
kind of
geography-
interesting, but ma'am,
geography-
the Mughal period
Actually-
was kind of boring.
Geography was once my favorite subject. I had geography only in my academic this thing, but to my disappointment, I could not get geography in my graduation. That is why I had to leave that subject. Otherwise, geography was always my favorite. Geography is more of science than anything else. Logics.
Yes, ma'am. That is why I like it.
Exactly. So shall we start with the question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but we have done the question answers.
Second, no, we are quiz, beta, quiz.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ready for the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Nobody will answer until I tell you to answer. Okay? Vyom Sharma, aap, acha, theek hai. Vyom Sharma is there in the meeting, no? Just a second.
Ma'am, quiz is from which chapter?
Hmm?
Ma'am, quiz will be from which chapter?
Geography chapter 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second, beta, just a second.
Ma'am?
Acha. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in science, ma'am, which was your favorite part, ma'am?
Biology.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Physics was never my favorite.
Ma'am, why?
Lot of calculations.
Ma'am, this shows you were not familiar with mathematics as well.
I don't like calculations at all.
So, ma'am, in 11th, which team have
Ma'am,
you
me too.
choose?
I took humanities, beta. I had geography, economics,
Okay, ma'am.
civics.
Ma'am, that's why you teach us SST.
Exactly.
Ma'am, you don't like calculations, but I don't like the concept of maths.
You don't like the concept
Ma'am,
of
I don't like.
I used to tell my father कि पापा ये मैथ्स क्यों है जब हमको रियल लाइफ में कहीं अप्लाई नहीं करना होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
ये हम
No,
सबके
ma'am, it can be applied everywhere.
This is
Ma'am,
what
the
Yes, ma'am.
world is from mathematics.
my father told
Ma'am,
me.
that's a true fact.
हाँ, this is what he told me. He said, बेटा देखो हर चीज का कैलकुलेशन मैथ्स पे अल्टीमेटली आके रुकता है. तो बट आई यूज्ड टू टेल हिम कि जो चीजें सिखाते हैं मेरे को तो नहीं समझ में आता, बहुत अजीब लगता है. तो ही वाज लाइक अपना अपना
Yes,
इंटरेस्ट.
ma'am.
My father was a gold medalist in maths. And
Ma'am, my father said if you will run up from the math, he will be behind you and will always catching you.
will always try to catch hold of you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question goes to Anokhi. Which is the oldest? Which is the oldest part of the Indian landmass?
And ma'am, can we take help from book?
अच्छा तो एक काम करते हैं.
Ma'am, Gondwana.
इंडियन लैंडमास का पूछ रहे हैं बेटा हम. Anokhi answered this question. Anybody else in the class? Ahana, yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, may I?
It is Peninsular Plateau.
Yes, it is Peninsular Plateau, Anokhi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question from Prashasti.
Yes, ma'am.
Mention any one feature of northern plains of India. Mention any one feature of northern plains of India.
It is formed of alluvial soil.
Very good. It is the fertile plain with the deposition of alluvial soil, right?
Yes.
Next question is for Arav Patel. What is the composition of the peninsular plateau?
Yes, ma'am. Peninsular Plateau consists of two broad divisions, Central Highlands and
नहीं, हमने पूछा बेटा कंपोजिशन ऑफ पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू का मतलब हुआ कि वो किस चीज से बना है पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू, किन टाइप से?
May I tell? May I tell?
He has answered. Listen. He has answered. It is the peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and the metamorphic rocks, right?
Ma'am, old crystalline.
Old crystalline also.
ठीक है, वो नहीं, ओल्ड क्रिस्टलाइन इग्नियस एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक ही है, वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है। अगर हम ये भी लिख देंगे इग्नियस एंड
And
मेटामॉर्फिक।
ma'am, I have a doubt.
यस बेटा, प्लीज आस्क।
Ma'am, what is a riverine island?
हमने बताया नहीं था रिवराइन आइलैंड क्या होता है।
Ma'am, I was not present.
Anybody in the class who can tell what is a riverine island?
May I tell?
Yes, Taran.
Ma'am, a small piece of land surrounded by river from all four sides.
Yes. A land that is surrounded by river water from all the sides, right?
What is the difference between riverine island and delta?
डेल्टा तो बहुत अलग हो गया बेटा। Delta is basically a area that is formed because of the river water in its final course, right? और जो riverine islands होते हैं ये they are the features that are made by the river waters in the lower course. आप इसको डेल्टा नहीं बोल सकते हो, रिवराइन आइलैंड जो है डेल्टा नहीं बोल सकते हम इनको हम ये वो आइलैंड्स होते हैं जो कि जब रिवर अपने लास्ट कोर्स में ट्रैवल कर रही होती है उस टाइम पे जहां से भी वो जो मियांडर्स होते हैं आपके मियांडर्स।
Yes, ma'am.
मियांडर्स जो लूप्स बनाते हैं, ये लूप्स जब ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब ये कट जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द रिवर वाटर, तो ये आपके रिवराइन आइलैंड्स बना देते हैं, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए जी, जो हमने आई थिंक रिवर वाटर वाला जो हमने चैप्टर करा था उसमें हमने ब्रेडेड चैनल्स देखे थे ना, जो मोटे मोटे पैचेस थे जो कि बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ द रिवर वाटर जो अलग हो जा रहे थे फ्रॉम द मेन पैसेज। तो ये रिवराइन आइलैंड्स चैनल्स ओनली, ठीक है, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question for Avantika.
Yes,
Name-
ma'am.
Name the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas.
Ma'am, the Shivaliks, the Himadris, and ma'am, the third one is, ma'am, the third one I don't remember actually.
Third one is
May I
Shivalik.
tell?
And Himachal.
Himachal, Himadri and Shivalik.
It is the
Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks.
Himadri, Himachal and the Shivalik. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next is for Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet located? Which range of the Himalayas? Anybody in the class? Yes, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Aryan
Ma'am,
is
may I tell?
beta, wait. Aryan is telling.
May
Aryan
I
is telling.
I'm
हाँ,
Shivalik.
Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. These are located in which range of Himalayas?
May I tell?
Tell.
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
Okay.
May I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I
May I tell?
Divyansh,
May I
Divyansh,
tell?
may I tell?
Divyansh.
May I tell?
May I tell?
Beta, you
Ma'am, may I
answer.
tell?
Yes, may I tell?
Listen. The question that I am asking you, you answer these answers you give in the group. Write your answers in the group, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Best way.
ये ज्यादा better रहेगा, exactly. चलो.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
My question is, in which range of Himalayas are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet located?
Ma'am, I have given.
You have given the answer. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Himachal,
I'm
because
given.
all the hill stations are located in the Himachal range.
Very good, Taran.
And ma'am, all the dunes are located in Shivalik.
Ma'am, I have also given.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
was my next question, Divyansh. Why have you answered? -5 for you.
I didn't know.
Don't do
Ma'am,
this.
can you just
We have to
repeat?
give in group.
In the class group, you have to give. But my next question was this only, no? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, what was your question?
अब रहने दो, अब उसको cancel कर दो. Next question. What is, name the longitudinal division of Himalayas between Indus and Satluj? Name the longitudinal division of Himalayas between Indus. जय, ये क्या था बेटा?
And please repeat the question.
My question is, name the longitudinal division of Himalayas between Indus and Satluj rivers.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Let me
Ma'am, I
see
have
who answered this question. Yes, Punjab Himalayas. Very good. Then next question is, name the longitudinal division. Sorry, name the longitudinal division of Himalayas between Kali and Tista rivers. Okay.
Ma'am, I have given.
Yes. Very good. It is the Nepal.
Ma'am, but I have a doubt.
I'm Nepal Himalaya.
Okay, very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
these are the longitudinal divisions or ma'am regional
And these
divisions?
are regional. And these are regional
Yes, ma'am.
divisions.
नहीं बेटा, longitudinal divisions हैं हमारे हिमालयास की ये तो.
No, ma'am, longitudinal divisions in copy you have made us written Himadri, Himachal and
Himadri,
Shivalik.
Himachal and Shivalik.
Sorry, these are regional divisions. Sorry. हाँ. Okay. हाँ, these are the regional divisions. Right.
Ma'am, next question.
Next question is, name the hills that make the Purvanchal. Name the hills that make the Purvanchals.
Ma'am, posted.
Posted? Let me check.
Yes, ma'am. Posted.
Ma'am, can you repeat again the question?
The question is, name the hills that make the Purvanchal. Hills के नाम बताने हैं बच्चे.
Ma'am, posted.
Purvanchal hills जो comprise करते हैं.
I'm posted.
Posted? Okay, very good, Pradyunsh. Prachi, it is not correct. You need to write the names.
Ma'am, Patkai, Naga, Manipur, Mizo.
Very good.
Excuse
Next.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, in Tista, it is double E or I?
TEESTA भी लिख सकते हैं, TISTA भी लिख सकते हैं. Hardly matters.
Okay.
Ma'am, posted.
Posted. Very good. Okay, it is fine, Jay. I don't mind this, but then I got scared what sound is coming. Now the next question is, which physical feature of India is a flat land comprising of extensive alluvial deposits? Which physical feature
Northern
of
plain.
India is a flat? Answer it in the group.
Ma'am, given.
हाँ,
Ma'am, given.
fine.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Who will take? Yes, Vyom, what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, Northern Hills. Northern Plains.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Northern Plains.
very good. Next question
Ma'am.
is, yes.
Ma'am, I didn't attend the past few classes of this, ma'am, because I was out. Ma'am, there was no Wi-Fi, ma'am. So I got the Wi-Fi because lockdown started after that. Ma'am, I watched the videos.
Then it is fine. And if you have any doubt, you can personally put
Yes,
up a message
ma'am.
on my personal window, right, Peter?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next question is, which section of northern plains are dominated by doabs? Which section of northern plains are dominated by doabs?
Shivaliks.
नहीं बेटा, दोआब्स. आप बुक की हेल्प लो भाई, बुक खोलो, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स खोलो, उसमें देखो.
Ma'am,
The
Yes.
Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, and the Satluj.
Ma'am, Punjab Plain.
ma'am, in this
Ma'am,
distribution.
the western or the Punjab Plains part,
Ma'am,
which
we
is
have to
mostly
write
in the
alternate.
Pakistan area.
हाँ बिल्कुल, पंजाब प्लेन्स आपका जो इंडस
It is written in third paragraph, in the third line.
I'll tell you where it is written in the book. Wait.
Ma'am, on page
I'm
12.
on page number 11.
Ma'am, page number 11. Ma'am, right hand side part, first para.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, above the do you know?
Ma'am, so it must be Jhelum, Satluj.
See the Indus and its tributaries. The Indus and its tributaries,
ma'am.
where it is written, that one is the correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, we do not
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to write the reverse.
No. You don't have to write the names of the rivers.
Ma'am, we can simply write Punjab Plains.
हाँ बिल्कुल आप लिख सकते हो, बिल्कुल पंजाब प्लेन्स लिख सकते हो आप, ठीक है.
Ma'am, western part of undivided Punjab.
No, West Punjab plains are better than this. Okay. Now the next question is,
I'm given. Sir.
name the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. Name the largest inhabited riverine island in the world.
Ma'am, given.
Okay. Very
Ma'am,
good.
given.
Very good. Very good. Some are inboxing. and some-
Majuli. Ma'am,
हाँ,
it's Majuli, ma'am.
Very good. See, give your answers in the group so that I can come across that who all have answered. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Fine. Next question is, Bhangar is the largest part of the northern plain, which is found in which this thing? Or Bhangar is which part of the northern plains?
Ma'am, older aluminium.
Yes, old alluvial. Yes.
Ma'am, it is formed of. Ma'am, if you talk about the location, we must say, ma'am, it lies above the floodplain of the rivers and present.
Ma'am, can the answer be highland? It is the highland part.
Ma'am, it is a highland, ma'am, that consists, ma'am, that is formed of the older.
Yes.
Ma'am, old alluvium is a, ma'am, highland is the answer correct.
No, the
Ma'am,
correct answer is the area above the floodplains.
Okay,
Don't write
ma'am.
highland, okay? हिमांशु सिंह कैसे निकल गए मीटिंग से? चलिए, another question. Mention the division of northern plains on the basis of relief features. I repeat, mention the division of northern plains on the basis of relief features.
Ma'am, sent.
हाँ, okay.
Ma'am, on which figure?
On the basis of relief features. सार्थक ये गलत आंसर है बेटा.
मैम फिजिकल.
2 और ऐड करने पड़ेंगे आपको इसमें. सार्थक, 2 more you need to add. Only 2 you have given. There are 4.
मैम please give
Ma'am,
one
one
example. I mean one answer.
Yes.
I'm like 3 we have to give now. You can tell one.
ठीक है. हो गया बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Sent it.
Giving the third one.
C section का, let me see. Very good. Very good. It is Bhabar, Tarai, Bhangar and Khadar. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Which region is the new alluvium region? In the northern plains, which region is the new alluvium region? Very good. Very good. It is Khadar.
Khadar, ma'am.
Very good. Now tell me, which is the highest peak of the eastern coast, Eastern Ghats? Which is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats?
Mahendragiri.
Ma'am, Mahendragiri.
Mahendragiri.
मैम ग्रुप पे नहीं डालने आंसर सब.
डाल दो.
मैम आप देख ही नहीं रहे.
नहीं बेटा मैं देख रही हूँ. कैसी बात कर रहे हो?
मैम अनायमुड़ी तो मैम वेस्टर्न घाट्स की है.
हमने पूछी है ईस्टर्न घाट्स की. जो इसका आंसर है वो आप लिख के भेज दो हमको.
Eastern or western?
Eastern I asked.
Someone
Ma'am,
is
it's
sending
Mahendragiri.
3 thumbs up after his answer.
What?
Ma'am, on the group, someone is sending 3 thumbs up after his answer.
So,
चलो, way of expressing.
Is this a problem?
Okay.
Prachi, what is disturbing you?
yes, we should
I'm not
concentrate on.
talking to you, Taranjot. I'm talking here about my section.
Okay, fine. Prachi, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Chalo. Next question is, which 2 well-known rivers originate near the Mahadev Hills? Which 2 rivers originate near the Mahadev Hills? हाँ जी बेटा. Written?
Ma'am, I have given the chat box.
Okay. One is
I'm
correct.
Godavari.
One is
Ma'am,
correct.
can you repeat?
One is correct and one is incorrect.
मैम कैमू हिल्स.
नहीं हिल्स तो नहीं पूछा हमने. रिवर पूछा बच्चे. रिवर.
मैम गोदावरी.
Ma'am, Godavari and Kaveri.
Narmada.
Ma'am, Godavari and Kaveri.
Beta, it is Narmada and only
Son.
Narmada is given in the book.
Narmada.
हाँ.
And Narmada and Damodar.
नहीं, Narmada and Son, but Son is not given in the book.
I'm Tapi.
Ma'am, Satpura.
Son. Narmada and Son are the 2 rivers, right?
Repeat the last question.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Last question was 2 well-known rivers originating near the Mahadev Hills.
And
Ma'am,
when
can
there
you
is
repeat the answer of it?
The answer is Narmada and the Son river.
Ma'am, spelling of
Okay.
Son is
S-O-N.
okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Next question is, name the hills that lies in the southeast of the Eastern Ghats. Name the hills that lies in the southeast of the Eastern Ghats.
Ma'am, Chevroy Hills and Javadi.
Very good. Prakhar and Prakhar and
I'm brother.
brother.
I'm brother, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's my brother.
Okay, I know that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know only one, ma'am, Chevrolet. Ma'am, what is the second one?
Javadi. Javadi.
Okay, ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Chalo. Next is, as per the book, what is the distinct feature of Deccan Plateau? Distinct feature of
Ma'am,
Plateau. Yes, Ahana?
Ma'am, Peninsular Plateau.
No. What is the distinct feature of this peninsular plateau? It is given in the last paragraph of the same topic. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. It has black soil. The black soil area, which is known as the Deccan Trap.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Next question is, which is the only largest river in the Indian desert? Which is the only largest river in the Indian desert? Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Luni.
I'm Luni.
इतनी जल्दी टाइप कर रहे हो, मैं देख भी नहीं पा रही हूँ आप लोग के मैसेजेस. वेरी गुड. लूनी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what are Barkans? What are Barkans?
Ma'am, Barkans are large area longitudinal plummet near the Indo-Pakistan boundary.
अगर इसको हमें सिर्फ वन वर्ड में आंसर देना हो तो क्या देंगे हम? What are Barkans?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, they are crescent-shaped dunes.
Very good. Crescent-shaped sand dunes. Very good. And where are they found?
Ma'am, Indo-Pakistan boundary.
Near the Indo-Pakistan boundary.
नहीं बेटा, इंडियन डेजर्ट में पाए जाते हैं. हम बाउंड्री के बाद नहीं
Ma'am,
बताएंगे.
Indian desert.
Yes, they are found in the Indian desert, prominently near the Indo-Pakistan boundary.
okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
The next-
Indo-Pakistan border is the specific location of that, ma'am.
That is the specific location. Very good. Now, which is the largest saltwater lake in India?
Ma'am, Lake Chilika.
Ma'am, Lake Chilika.
Ma'am, Lake Chilika.
Very good. Lake Chilika. Good. Can you name the place where this lake is found?
Odisha. Ma'am, Odisha.
Ma'am, in Odisha, to the south
Ma'am,
of
Odisha.
Mahanadi.
Is
The
it
south
Odisha?
of Mahanadi
Listen.
Delta.
Ma'am, south of
Listen.
Mahanadi
Is it,
Delta.
beta, listen. Is it Odisha or Odisha?
Ma'am, Odisha.
Odisha.
Odisha. Yes.
Odisha.
Yes. Correct yourself. It is Odisha. If you will write Odisha, I will cut your marks. Okay. Next question is, what was the earlier name of Lakshadweep? Earlier name
Ma'am,
of,
Lakadiv. Ma'am, Lakadiv.
सारे बताओ.
Ma'am, Lakadiv, Minicoy, and Amin Dive.
Minicoy, Amindive, and Lakadiv.
Lakadiv, Minicoy, and Amindive.
Very good.
Lakadive, Minicoy, and Amendive.
Good, good. Now tell me, in which year the Lakshadweep name was given to these islands?
1973.
1973.
1973. Very good. I want to extend the time period of the class.
Ma'am, sure.
Name,
1973. Okay.
name the bird sanctuary
Acceptable.
that is named acceptable. Okay. Name the bird sanctuary that is located in the in one of the island groups.
Ma'am, Pitti Island.
Where?
Ma'am, Pitti Island.
Pitti Island.
In which island group?
Ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
which
Pitti
island
Island.
group?
Ma'am, in Pitti
Ma'am,
Island.
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep.
Ma'am,
Lakshadweep.
Pitti Island in Lakshadweeps.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Then next question is, name the island groups which has an active volcano. Island groups which has
Andaman and Nicobar.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Marine Island in Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Island in Andaman and Nicobar Island.
what are called as the granaries of India, of the world?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
All the
Northern
granaries
Plains.
of the world.
Ma'am,
Northern Fertile Plains.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
The northern plains.
Fertile plains. They are known as the granaries of the world. Very good. Very good. See, all these questions